Karishma. I'm thrilled to be your host for today's momentous event. And joining me is the ever-charming Fozan Kar.
Thank Parishva. On this momentous day, we are here to celebrate and acknowledge the profound presence of our seniors in our lives. We are gathered here to celebrate the graduation day for our 10th standard students. This is not just another event, it's a milestone marking the culmination of hard work, perseverance, and growth.
That's right, Fozan. Graduation day symbolizes both an ending and a new beginning. It's a day when we reflect on the incredible journey our students have undertaken and look forward to the bright future that awaits them. It's a celebration of the exciting paths that they'll soon embark on.
But before we dive into the grand celebration, let's take a moment to acknowledge the special people who have been instrumental in shaping these bright minds. The most esteemed guests of the evening, the beloved parents, your unwavering support, love and guidance have played an essential role in bringing us to this proud moment.
Thank you for being the beacon of wisdom and motivation for all of us. We once again warmly welcome all of you to this graduation day, a day of joy, a day of pride, a day of celebration of excellence.
As we embark on this joyous journey, it is always wise to seek the blessings of the Almighty. Let's quiet our hearts and prepare to be serenaded by the soothing prayer song. This soulful melody will remind us of the grace that guides us every step of the way. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the choir.
In His time, in His time, He makes all things beautiful. In His time, Lord, please show me every day as You're teaching me Your way, that You do just what You say in Your time. In Your time. In Your time. You make all things beautiful in Your time. Lord, my life to You I bring, with its winter and its spring. May I fathom everything in Your time. There's a time. There's a time. Both for sowing and for reaping, there's a time. Time for losing, time for gain, time for joy and time for pain. Every purpose under heaven has a time.
So, to formally begin the event, I invite Anika to deliver the welcome speech. Let's welcome her with a warm round of applause.
Anika, please proceed.
Esteemed faculty, the proud parents, and our distinguished special guest, Mrs. Sabir Karbali, Principal, Chahlamreez Army Pre-Primary School, Mrs. Poonamjeet Kaur, Senior Lecturer in Education Department, and Dr. Humara Munir, Diploma in Maternal Health and Childcare. And my dear students, a very good morning to you all. It is with great joy and pride that I stand before all of you to welcome you on this momentous occasion, the graduation day. We are gathered here to celebrate the hard work, dedication, and resilience that have brought our graduate students on this momentous milestone. Graduation is not just a ceremony, it's the celebration of goals achieved, the dreams realized, and the futures with endless possibilities. To our esteemed parents, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for your love, guidance, and encouragement. You have been the backbone in this journey. To our graduate students, congratulations. Congratulations on reaching this milestone. Today is the day of the celebration of your wonderful journey and to our incredible teachers. You have done more than just teaching lessons. You have inspired, guided, and nurtured each child sitting here today. We are very grateful for all that you do. Once again, on behalf of this institution, I extend my warm welcome to each one of you. Let's make this day a joyous and a memorable one. Thank you.
Now, let's get ready to be dazzled. Our talented dancers have prepared something absolutely mesmerizing. We now present a semi-classical dance that will blend tradition with innovation in a most graceful way. Please give them a big round of applause.
जाने कैसे बांधी तूने अखियों के डोर मन में रखे चलाया तेरी ओर मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों के शाम मेरा सब कुछ है प्यार से तेरे नाम नजरों ने तेरी छुआ तो तेरे जादू होने लगे हम में हंसी
रहे मेरी सांसें बोल के
celebrating excellence. I would like to call our principal to come forward and lead the prestigious presentation of certificates and mementos. It's our honor to welcome someone who has been the beacon of wisdom and support for all of us.
Please join me in welcoming Father Suresh Bitto to come forward once again and spread his words of wisdom.
And I'm sure these my students, the HGS has prepared from day one till date to stand by themselves and address the issues of the world very positively and constructively. My simple advice to my dear students, that in the world you will find lots of challenges and lots of struggles, and I'm sure you are now made that strong enough to face those challenges. You will also come across in the world and lots of evil elements all across you, whether it is the drugs, whether it is any trafficking, and at that moment you will always remember HGS and their HGS values and always to respond positively. I am 100% sure.
I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet. Sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple things, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is this the place we used to love? Is this the place that I've been dreaming of? Oh, simple things, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में बड़ी जवानी सी सजा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी, जीने की उम्र थी दोस्ती, और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे। ओ दिन भी क्या दिन
रिश्वत देना तो खुद पापा ने सिखाया। लिख लिख कर पढ़ा तेरी पर अल्फा बीटा गामा का छाला। कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 ने पूरा बचपन चला डाला।
बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो।
As we continue to honor the brilliance and achievements of our amazing students, it's time for the second round of presentation of certificates and mementos.
एक बात जरूर आप लोगों से कहना चाहूंगी, खोल दे पंख कहता है परिंदा, खोल दे पंख मेरे कहता है परिंदा, अभी और उड़ान बाकी है, जमीन नहीं है मंजिल मेरी, अभी पूरा आसमान बाकी है। Lastly, children, enjoy this day to the fullest. Take pics, make memories, which will be there throughout your life. You will cherish these days. Meet your teachers right from primary to secondary level till 10. Hug them, show respect, and tell them, be grateful. That is what is the requirement of life. All the best for your forthcoming board examinations. All the best for your future, your life. I believe that you will do wonders. Thank you very much once again.
The vibrant energy of Kashmir, its rich culture and graceful moves will light up the stage. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful performance.
सितार कलंगदई दोनों जुदाई जरे हलायो ख्याल जानी निगल पोषण रुमाल पोषण करे हलायो मनाल कर साली इकना दुकान मस्की करे हलायो मैं करे वच दुफा यारा द्राव बेवफा बेवफाई मजा सावनो सावनो दिल को ताचिता नम दल की पोषमाल गिंदने लाए लो सरगम के मीठे मीठे सुर बोलो एक पोषमाल गिंदने गाए लो आया हूँ मैं प्यार का ये नगमा सुनाने सारी दुनिया को एक सुर में सजाने सबके दिलों से नफरत को मिटाने आओ यारो मेरे संग संग बोलो पोषमाल गिंदने गाए लो आया हूँ मैं प्यार का ये नगमा सुनाने सारी दुनिया को एक सुर में सजाने सबके दिलों से नफरत को मिटाने आओ यारो मेरे संग संग बोलो पोषमाल गिंदने गाए लो
I, Imad, along with my co-host Asma, are honored to host the second half of this incredible graduation ceremony.
As we move forward in today's program, I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to the wonderful anchors who have so gracefully led us through the first half of this special day.
Arishba and Fauzan, your pose and enthusiasm has set the perfect tone for this ceremony. You have kept the energy high and ensured that everything ran smoothly.
From introducing our esteemed guests to guiding us through each segment, you both have done a phenomenal job.
Now together, we are here to make sure the rest of the event is just as special as the journey of our graduates.
This day is also about the friendships we have made, the experiences we have shared, and the moments that made us cry, laugh, and grow.
As we take the event further, it's our pleasure to invite our role models to the stage. They are the ones who have been remarkable all year through.
Leaders in both words and actions, and true inspiration to the student body. Please join us in welcoming our Deputy Head Boy, Muhammad Mohsin Khan, and our Deputy Head Girl, Harman Kaur Bali, to share their thoughts and experiences on this special day.
मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी भटक कर ही सही, मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी भटक कर ही सही।
काफिर तो वो हैं जो घर से निकले ही नहीं।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A very warm and heartfelt greeting to everyone gathered here today. I am Muhammad Mohsin Khan, the deputy head boy of the school.
And Sashya Kal to everyone present here. Myself, Harman Kaur Bali, the deputy head girl of this prestigious institution. And today it feels like I am closing a cherished chapter, one where every page is filled with unforgettable memories. This school, that is my SJS, is more than just a building. It is a temple of learning, where we not only discovered equations and grammar, but the real essence of life. Today, I am reminded of a beautiful truth, that memories made in school are treasures to hold. Memories that last a lifetime, never to grow old. Our SJS captures the essence of our journey, that is beautiful, unpredictable, and unimaginable.
Today, as we gather here, it feels like we are standing on the bridge between the two worlds. The familiar warmth of this school that has shaped us, and the vast unexplored horizon awaiting us. Life is a book, and St. Joseph's has been the first chapter of our story. A chapter that is written with care, patience, and love.
Truly said, St. Joseph's was not just a school, it was the garden where we blossomed, the canvas where we painted our dreams, and the lighthouse that guided us through the storms of youth. Every corner of this lovely place tells a story. The classrooms echo with the lessons we have learned. The playgrounds hold the imprints of our victories and defeats, and the corridors remember our whispered secrets. This place, which was not familiar to us earlier, now has become an integral part of our lives.
Do you remember the first time we stepped into this school? Wide-eyed and curious. Back then, these halls felt enormous and intimidating. Today, they feel like old friends wrapping us in a warm embrace of familiarity.
Doesn't it feel like yesterday when we nervously walked through these gates for the very first time? Back then, everything seemed larger than life. The buildings, the scary seniors, and the lovely teachers. But today, this school is our home, and leaving it feels like leaving ourselves behind. Today, I think I am blessed and honored to take a moment to thank my educators. Thank you, dear teachers. You were the mirrors that guided us through every dark, and you were the windows that opened possibilities to all the reasons. Thank you so much for everything you have done for us. Give a big round of applause for our teachers.
To the auxiliary staff, you were the silent heroes who kept the wheels turning. You ensured that we studied in clean classrooms, participated in well-organized events, and traveled safely to and from school.
To my fellow Josephites, what a journey it has been. We cried until our stomachs hurt. We cried on each other's shoulder, and we stood by one another through every challenge. As we prepare to leave, I can't help but ask that how can we forget this place? How will not be able to carry a piece of this place in our hearts? How can we forget the morning assemblies, the sport days, the cultural events, and the quiet moments of reflection? I know you all will never forget these school days, and I will also not forget this. The truth is, this school has become a part of who we are, woven into the very fabric of our being.
Graduation is not the end, it is a new beginning. Let us carry forward the values we have learned here: kindness, courage, resilience, and hope.
To everyone who has been part of this incredible journey, our administrators, teachers, our parents, auxiliary staff, thank you so much. I'd like to conclude by addressing my graduates that remember, this is not a goodbye, this is a promise. a promise to uphold the legacy of St. Joseph's, to make a difference wherever we go, and to remember that we are the Josephites, forever united by the memories we have made. Thank you so much, everyone.
And now, we come to another most awaited moment of today, the presentation of certificates and mementos to our wonderful students.
I would now like to call upon our respected Vice Principal, Sister Shubha, to present the certificates and mementos. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to call Dr. Humaira Munir, Diploma in Maternal Health and Childcare, to kindly address this gathering.
To the graduates, it is just the beginning. Embrace the next chapter with courage and curiosity. I am confident you will continue to make us proud, just as you have here. Thank you, St. Joseph, for being a wonderful foundation in lives of our children. But not the least, at this time, I have this privilege of sharing this stage. I want to thank my teachers, especially Sir Salim, Sir Dar, Mrs. Sarabji, for being such a nice teachers, and for what I am here, for they have made us such nice people.
After a whirlwind of emotions, achievements and goodbyes, it's time to feel the rhythm and let the music take over. What better way to celebrate than with a fusion dance that blends traditional and modern moves?
future dark. Let's dance it, yo.
लाके लोगड़ी दे गुत्ते नाल फुल्लनी किसे जट दा करेंगी दीवा कुल्लनी लाके लोगड़ी दे गुत्ते नाल फुल्लनी किसे जट दा करेंगी दीवा कुल्लनी मुंडे पिंड देखो आए पत्ते जान गए सारे पिंड देखो आए पत्ते जान गए सारे जद निकले पटोले वांगू फब के जद निकले पटोले वांगू फब के नी जट नू जे हंदा मारदा
This is the moment where we recognize the hard work, dedication and achievements of our wonderful students.
I would now like to invite a respected administrator, Father John Paul, to present the certificates and mementos.
Dear students, I wish each and every one of you success, happiness and fulfillment in whatever you want to pursue in your future. What you want to take, medical, non-medical, but I wish all of you success for this. May God bless all of you. Because all your parents' dedication, hard work will come from your board exam results. So best of luck for your board exams.
Let's give a warm round of applause as we welcome our dancers to the stage.
ਵੇ ਮਹਿਗਨਾ ਨੀ ਕਾਦੀ ਰਹਿਗਨਾ ਨੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਸੀਸੇ ਚ ਚੱਕੀਆਂ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੱਗੂ ਮਿਟਣੇ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਥਲੇ ਸਿੱਟਣੇ ਨੂੰ 21 ਵਾਰੀ ਜੋਰ ਲਾ ਦੇ ਸੱਤੀਆਂ They not like us.
As we draw closer to the conclusion of this wonderful day, it's time to express our gratitude to everyone who made this event possible. I would like to call upon Afzeen to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. Distinguished guests, faculty members, proud parents and their graduates. It is both an honor and a privilege to stand before you and to present a vote of thanks for this memorable graduation ceremony. First and foremost, I extend our deepest gratitude to our special guest, Ms. Satbir Kaur Bali, Principal JLM Breeze Army Preschool, Kanpag, and our second chief guest, Poonamjeet Kaur, Senior Lecturer in Education in Department, and our third chief guest, Dr. Humaira Munir, Diploma in Maternal Health and Childcare, who took time from their busiest schedule to grace this occasion and to inspire us with their words of wisdom. Your presence has truly made this occasion beautiful. And your messages will undoubtedly stay with our graduates as they are embarking next chapter on their life. To our beloved principal, Father Suresh Brito, our vice principal, Father Susai Rajan, our headmistress, Sister Shubha, and our coordinators, Sister Selena, Sister Mitty Grace, and our administrator, Father John Paul. Thank you for your unwavering leadership and support. Your guidance has shaped not only this institution, but the future of our students. I also wish to thank our dedicated faculty members whose hard work, patience and commitment have been an instrument in molding our graduates into a remarkable individuals they are now. Your impact goes far beyond the classroom, and for that we are eternally grateful. To the parents and the graduates gathered here, thank you for your steadfast and support. Today is just the achievement of our child and your child. To the graduates, congratulations on reaching this significant milestone. Your perseverance and dedication have brought you here today. Remember, this is just the beginning. Continue to chase your dreams and make all of us proud. Finally, a heartfelt thank you to our organizing community, participants, staff, volunteers who worked tirelessly to make this event a resounding success. From the beautiful arranged venue to the smooth execution of the program, your efforts have not gone unnoticed. Once again, thank you all for being the part of the joyous occasion. May this day be cherished memory for years to come. Wishing your graduates all the success in your future endeavors. Thank you from your junior Afzeen.
Now, we want to take a moment to reflect on the journey we have shared.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the close of this unforgettable day, we would like to take a moment to reflect on the true stars of today's celebration, our graduating students of 10th standard. To our graduates, today is the culmination of years of hard work, dedication and perseverance. You have faced challenges, learned lessons and grown into remarkable individuals ready to take on the world.
Each of you has made this journey uniquely your own, and today we honor not just your achievements but also the resilience, passion and determination that have brought you to this moment.
As you step forward into the next chapter of your lives, remember that the journey does not end here.
You carry with you the knowledge, the friendships and the memories that will shape your future endeavors.
On behalf of St. Joseph's School Baramulla, your teachers, mentors and all those who have been a part of your journey, we are incredibly proud of each and every one of you. Go forward with courage, confidence and kindness, knowing that you are well prepared to face whatever the future holds. To our families, teachers and friends, thank you for being here and for your unwavering support.
With that, we conclude our graduation ceremony. Thank you all once again for joining us today. Congratulations, batch 2024. Safe travels and may this new chapter bring you all the success and joy you deserve.
To wrap up this memorable day, let us all rise and sing our school anthem, a song that binds us to the values and spirits of St. Joseph's. It's a moment of pride and reflection for all of us.
I invite the choir to sing our school anthem as we honor our school and look forward to the future with hope and excitement. Let's sing with all our hearts.